Should homeowners attempt to clear very severe air conditioning condensate drain line clogs themselves? A single effective approach is to start with the simplest, safest steps and escalate only as needed. First, cut power to the air handler and locate the condensate drain access, usually a vertical riser with a removable cap or a small access port near the evaporator coil. Use a flashlight to inspect for visible standing water or debris. Next, try a gentle hand vacuum or wet-dry vacuum at the condensate drain access to remove loose sludge and buildup, sealing the hose against the pipe with a rag to improve suction. This often clears common biofilm clogs without tools. Follow with a slow flush of warm water through the access to test flow and avoid forcing water under pressure that could create leaks. If water begins to back up or overflow at the pan, stop immediately. For persistent slime or organic growth, pour a quarter cup of household white vinegar into the drain, wait 30 minutes, then flush with warm water to disrupt microbial buildup without corrosive chemicals. If the drainline access is distant, obstructed, or the clog is beyond a few feet, a flexible manual drain snake or a soft nylon brush pushed gently a few feet is safer than high-pressure tools. Always avoid metal augers, which can puncture plastic pipes. Keep records of what you try, how the system responds, and any signs of corrosion or leakage so a technician can diagnose faster if you must call for help. Many people try to force large volumes of water or use high pressure to push a clog and end up creating leaks or dislodging seals, which increases repair cost. Stop attempts and call a professional when water overflows quickly or when cleaning access is hard to reach. Another common issue is using bleach or strong acids that can erode plastic drain lines and harm condensate pans. Use mild vinegar or enzyme cleaners designed for drains instead. A third mistake is working on the system without shutting off power, which risks electrical shock or activating the blower while your hands are inside. Always turn off the unit at the thermostat and the disconnect before any inspection or work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like drainline maintenance and repair, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors find jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, troubleshooting experiences, and recommendations for hiring.